You're the moon that glows in the sky, lighting up the world when it's blue. Stars they dance though late in the night. Don't you know they dance just for you?
Happy birthday, mahal ko. Sana maging matagal pa ang pagsasama natin. Mahal na mahal kita. Salamat sa pagpapalaki mo sa amin. Happy birthday. I love you.
Smiling at the world from afar. With the stars you
Happy birthday, Ate Alice. We love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Ninang Alice. We love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Ninang. Wishing you good health and blessings of the Lord.
We love you.
trying to find the words to employ to adore the goddess of love.
Go, happy birthday. Araw mo to. Lagi mo tatandaan, mahal na mahal ka namin mga anak mo, tsaka mga apo mo. Yun, enjoy the rest of the day. Yun, mahal na mahal ka namin. Tatandaan mo lagi yan. Pangako ko sa'yo, dadagdagan ko pa yung apo ko. Mga magiging apo mo. Mga 10 pa. So yun, sana magtagal ka pa hanggang 100 para may 100,000 ka kay Yorme. B, happy birthday sa'yo.
Oh no, I never thought I'd get this close to someone so divine. Oh, I can't breathe, no, I can't breathe at all.
Hanggat nabubuhay ako, hanggat nabubuhay kami, hindi namin kayo pababayaan ni Daddy as long as na syempre nagtutulungan tayong lahat. Tapos alam naman natin kahit medyo mahirap ang mga bagay-bagay, ganyan. Pero ang mahalaga, yun, tinatry natin yung best natin para magkaroon tayo ng magandang pagsasama at magandang bukas, di ba? So, yan. At saka kahit tandaan mo kahit ilang beses man akong lumayo, as in, madalas tayong magkaaway, ganyan. Kasi favorite mo akong awayin, eh, di ba? Ganyan. So, kahit ilang beses man ako lumayo sa'yo, tandaan mo, palagi pa rin akong babalik sa'yo. And I love you so much. Happy birthday!
Though late in the night, hope you know I sing just for you. Oh, you got me in a daze, yeah. No, it's not another phase. You gave me one look and now I can't get my mind off of you. And it's all because I see the galaxies when I look.
Salamat din. Kayo ang nagpasaya sa gabi kong ito. Nandito kayong lahat, mga piling kaibigan ko. Sir Boyet, paring Chairman Hill Marabilla, Maring Boss, President Pong, mga kasama ko sa SPICE, Chairman Arthur Ignacio, maraming salamat sa colleagues ko, mga kagawad, paring Otan, kagawad ko, kay kagawad Nesty, sa pamilya ko, sa mga kakwayat ko, sa best friend ko 13 years ago.